So we've got the largest team of meteorologists around, and the benefit of that is so many of you come from different geographical locations in the country, right? And you have different levels of expertise on different weather events. You have proven to be an expert on hurricanes.
Yeah.
Obviously, you're from Florida. Geographically, talk to me. We keep hearing Tampa, but we're also hearing smaller cities where this hurricane, Category 4 now, is making a beeline. What's the closest reference point? Is it Tampa or is it more Pensacola, Panama City, Tallahassee?
Yeah, so Gainesville, that's a larger city that's inland. Remember Horseshoe Beach, because I think that is the area that's going to have the worst of the image. The storm surge up to 15 feet possible here over the next 30 to 45 minutes. Is just about 28 miles away. So that's Cross City. Horseshoe Beach is right here, and St. Mark's Beach is right here. Gainesville, a very populated area, will be that next target. Widespread power outages, devastation right along the immediate coast, where the south side of the storm will be pushing 130-mile-per-hour winds onshore. So that is really what can cause that water to build up on itself. So Category 4 right now that you're looking at the radar. So expected to make landfall here over the next hour, maybe hour and a half. Tallahassee is off to the west. Tampa is far to the south, so they just got some of those outer bands now in the clear. It's expected to maintain Category 2 strength for southeastern Georgia. There's a lot of trees in that area, so widespread power outages across the southeast, and then tropical storm impacts to the Carolinas. We're going to continue to keep you updated throughout the morning on this storm that is going to bring devastation to the state of Florida. Here locally, feeling a little guilty that we have a cold front passing through because we have some really nice weather in store in the 60s walking out, and we actually have a cold front as we speak passing through. So we're actually going to feel a little cooler as the mid-morning goes on and into the afternoon. Dry weather is in that forecast with low humidity throughout the rest of the week, but it can't last too long. We're still in summertime. We're not into fall until a few more weeks at the end of September. Humidity builds Saturday and Sunday, and that will allow our temperatures to increase back into the mid-90s. So enjoy the upper 70s. This is below average temperatures, beautiful sunshine, a few clouds, but by the afternoon, crystal blue skies. You're going to want to spend it outdoors. Recess looks like a lot of fun today. 80 degrees, upper 70s for Scottsburg, 77 for your high, Madison, 77, Bardstown, 81 degrees. Fantastic weather in store for us. Looking at a Labor Day weekend, that is when we're going to take a turn with our temperatures back to the mid-90s. A heat wave settling in because we're going to be in the 90s for a good stretch. 92 on Saturday, 93 on Sunday. Monday for your Labor Day forecast, we have a high of 95 degrees. So we're going to have that warm weather back in that humidity. Probably going to see heat index values in the triple digits for your Labor Day weekend. At least we have some sunshine that comes with it. No rain in that forecast for the next 7 days. I know this is starting to get into an agricultural season where they're starting to flip the crops. So no rain for the next 7 days. It's been pretty dry this past month, and it looks like we're going to start out September pretty dry as well.